Today, we're diving into a full review of Humanify. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Unlike anything else on the market right now, we've put out 110% in creating Humanify, and we have been successfully using it for the past 18 months with a no fail. Not only that, you will be joining hundreds of profitable members who use Humanify daily to generate results. It's the first to a market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using Humanify, so I don't need to charge you that I use it daily. So I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Humanify for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Humanify. Listen, it's really simple. If you're sick of all the BS that is going on the market right now, if you're worried about inflation and the prices that are going up like there's no tomorrow, Humanify is for you, period. It was designed to be the life-changing system that you've been looking for. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. Worried about what will happen if it doesn't work for you? Look, Humanify is not one of those trash or untested apps. We know what it's capable of. However, in the unlikely event that you fail to use Humanify for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't get result, we don't want your money.
We make more than enough with Humanify. And no need to keep your money if you're not gonna use it. Not just that. We will send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get Humanify and don't get desired result. You will still get extra bonuses for trying it out. P.S. If you act now, you will instantly receive bonuses worth over $12,879.22. This bonus is designed specifically to help you get 10x the results, in half the time required. PPS, there is nothing else required for you to start earning with Humanify, no hidden fees, no monthly costs, nothing. PPPS, remember, you're protected by our money-back guarantee. If you fail, not only will we refund your money, we will send you a bunch of bonuses out of our own pockets just for wasting your time. PPPPS, if you put off the decision till later, you will end up paying $9.97/mo. Instead of just a one-time flat fee. And why pay more, when you can pay less? Awesome, I like your excitement. All you have to do is click any of the buy buttons on the page, and secure your copy of Humanify at a one-time fee. Get VIP access to our live mastermind event and copy and paste our Humanify underground system we use to make 6 figures in 60 days. This alone is worth 5x what you will pay today, and it's yours for free. Value $1,997. This is a powerful app that combines Google Bard AI plus Gemini AI. Easily turn your profile picture to high-quality AI avatar, and you can also set up a WhatsApp AI chatbot that auto-replies to your customers' messages and sells your products/services on autopilot. Best part is you can also embed your trained AI chatbot on your website, store, or anywhere and let the AI handle your chats. Combine this with Humanify app and skyrocket your sales. Value $997. More traffic equals more sales. Discover the top secret tips and strategies to get tons of traffic to your generated virtual talking head videos, and boost your views, traffic and sales. Dominate any platforms, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Sell more products and services and also make huge profits. Value $697. Instantly launch your own Humanify video streaming website, without paying thousands of dollars to hire developers. Stream any kind of videos, virtual human video, TV show, movie, sport, live TV, etc., at a go and get paid. Value $697. Effortlessly share all your AI virtual talking videos across various social networks such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Plan, schedule, and publish your virtual human videos you created with Humanify and get viral traffic, clicks and sales on complete autopilot. Value $497. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.